Tarr Steps. Today we are headed to Exmoor National Park in the counties of Somerset and Devon in the United Kingdom. We're going to visit lots of different places including Cheddar, Dunster, Tarr Steps and the Wimbleball Lake, as well as the Valley of the Rocks, which you can see over here, and Lynmouth. First stop, some valuable advice at the tourist centre. So we are at the Exmoor National Park in Somerset.
Yep.
Close to Devon.
Yep.
I can hear a duck. Shop and visitor centre.
You can drive there. Lynmouth, there's plenty of car parks,
Yep.
and you can park at in the village itself.
Sure.
There's a little seaside village town there. From there, you've got the Cliff Railway, powered by water, that goes up the side of the cliff to Linton, which is the town at the top of the hill.
Oh, okay.
What I would suggest is if you park in Lynmouth,
Yes.
there's also a lovely walk up the river to a place called Watersmeet.
Okay.
It's a very famous river because in 1952 there was a terrible flood. It rained for many days on Exmoor in August, and there was a huge flood that swept down this valley, which is a very narrow V-shaped valley. The wall of water was about 15 metres high, and it destroyed much of Lynmouth.
Oh, right.
Washed out buildings away, people out to sea. So you can see some of those old ruins still.
Right.
That's worth exploring. Then take that up
Cliff Railway.
to Linton,
Yeah.
and at the top you can walk out to a place called the Valley,
Of the Rocks.
which looks like
Yeah.
that.
Yeah.
Oh, brilliant.
Some of the highest cliffs
Yeah.
in the country, wild goats, it's just beautiful. But from there, look, you can... So this is the Cliff Railway that runs there, and then from there you can walk out on the coast path, which is quite an experience in itself because you're looking down over the edge.
Yeah.
It's a tarmac path, so it's very easy.
Right.
And then you can walk out and you come out into the Valley of Rocks, which are just beautiful to explore.
That's not very far though, is it?
This walk from here
Yeah.
to here will take about 35 minutes.
And we park there.
We park down.
Park
You
down.
can park down, or you could go it down and then drive the car up as well, but then
Okay.
you don't use the Cliff Railway. It's up
Oh,
to you
okay.
which you do.
How much is the Cliff Railway? Is that all
It's not very expensive,
Oh, right.
£4. It's a very short journey.
short journey? Okay.
Very short
You have to
journey.
go to- From here, you have to go to Linton, you have to take that.
You have
Yeah.
to take that. Yeah.
So that's there. I would also recommend, you're pretty close to it, this is Dunkery Beacon. So this is the highest point on Exmoor. And on a clear day, you'll get great views of the sea and of the moors itself. And to get there, you would drive up the road that goes through the village, which is the way that you'll be going to Exford. And at Wedden Cross, there's a crossroads, and you turn on the road as if you're going to Exford. But here there will be a signpost saying Dunkery, and you can drive and park right there, and then it's about 25-minute walk uphill
Up there.
to the top of the beacon.
Okay.
Excellent.
Only go if it's fine weather though, because in the wet weather and the mist comes down, the wind, and it's very, that's beautiful. Down over here is a place called Tarr Steps, which is a very, very old clapper bridge that goes across the river.
Oh,
And again, you can park just above it, walk down, walk over the bridge, and then there's this very short circular walk of about half an hour through woodland and the valleys as well, which is just beautiful to
From
do.
Exford, how do you go here now?
From Exford to Tarr Steps,
Yeah.
you would go out along this road here,
Yeah.
drop down one of these roads here, and you're at Tarr. You're only going to take you about 10 minutes,
10 minutes,
15 minutes to get there. Very, very easy. That is
do
beautiful.
that tomorrow. Yeah.
Yeah.
Today is the
now
top.
we'll do here.
I would do this today because I
Yeah.
think today is the best day for weather.
Best weather. Yeah.
Where are there any more cliff towns here?
Yeah, there are. So, if you're going to go anywhere else, Heddon's Mouth is a really nice place to visit here. So basically, you have to drive out and then come back around this way to a place called Hunter's Inn, where there's a big car park.
Okay.
And there's a very short walk down to the coast.
Okay.
And it was well known in the old days for smugglers, people smuggling goods in and out of the country, brandy and things like that. But again, it's just you give you a feel for that wild coastline.
Sure.
And so from here to get back to
You can come up through Simmons Bath
here,
and
or
then
we
back.
can go here also.
Yeah, this is a good enough road. This is a good enough road. And wherever you see these pony heads, these are where the wild Exmoor ponies live.
Oh, right, okay.
And they look like the ones up in the picture up there. Look. Can you see that one up there?
Wow. Those ones.
So, what was the other beach that we looked at? What was one?
Ilfracombe? Yeah, that will be further on the coast, just outside the national park as well.
Outside the
Yeah,
national park.
but Woolacombe from Lynmouth will be about half an hour.
Half an hour.
Half an hour. Okay.
And that's a very big sandy beach. Yeah, that's a good beach to play on.
Oh, okay.
So
We'll see how we go with time.
Yeah, we'll see how we go with time.
Most of these beaches are going to be rocky beaches.
Rocky beaches. Yeah.
Okay?
Okay.
Full respect. Thatched cottages, there's a periwinkle tea rooms there, which I have to say is one of the most beautiful tea rooms.
Thank you.
All right,
Do you know,
enjoy.
I know, yes, lovely. Thank you very much.
Rocket, roll it, farm it, fork it.
Dunster High Street. It's a little village of Dunster. Oh, this is what we saw.
Yep.
Oh, the castle. Look, you can see the castle up there.
Yep.
The few shops. Dunster Castle.
Are we in Devon?
Not yet.
Sounds like to share.
We're in Lynmouth. Gifts and interiors. So that's the Cliff Railway. We're going to go on. This is where we've got the Cliff Railway. Oh my word. There's a dance going on. We saw this from the other side. The Valley of the Rocks. Oh my word. This is not easy to walk. Views from the Valley of the Rocks. They won't attack you, right?
Can you put hazard lights if
Oh, there's baby ponies. Okay. If they attack, we run. At the car park, Tarr Steps. There's a path to Tarr Steps. It's a long path. We've come out of that path and now here it's Tarr Farm Residential Inn and Restaurant. We're closing in on Tarr Steps, that's it. That is Tarr Steps. And there's a stream.
And then there's an ice cream shop.
Oh, there's an ice cream shop. Let's have some ice cream. And that is the steps. Well, over the stream. Oh my god, there's a dog.
Right.
Yeah, come. Careful. Tarr Steps. Oh. Yeah, have you made it to the end? This is Dulverton. Just a few small shops. Looks like a castle at the back. Is that a castle at the back? Church. Wimblebone Lake, yeah? And that's the lake over there. And that's the car parking.
Yep. Walking this.
We're walking to the
Yeah.
Lake Wimblebone.
I'm walking this. Who can walk faster?
Reaching down on Lake Wimblebone.
Yep.
It's not a long path from the car park. It's
Oh, the car park is back there.
car park's back there. That's Wimblebone Lake. Here. So there's a little stream running
Yep.
close to the hotel.
Yep.
What yep yep? What is you saying yep yep? Where is this? This is near the Crown Hotel in Exmoor.
Exford and Exmoor.
Exmoor and Exmoor. Cheddar Gorge. walk down. Great kitchen. The fish and chips, coffee bar, another restaurant. Cheddar place. A lot of things in the cheddar cheese shop. Oh, there's a mixture of different cheese types. Cheese. Yeah, this is a nice gift shop. Cheddar Gorge foot shop. So Cheddar was our last stop, and we had a good few days in Exmoor, and we visited all these lovely places that you could see. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe, like and share.